Welcome guys. In this video I will show you how to change your currency on your Temu account easy and quick. So go open your Temu like this, and right now when you open your Temu, open the profile or your profile. So go to the settings here and come right now, go to currency and click here, and that's it. Currency is available on USD or on American dollars. I will for example change the region, I know Brazil, and I will see if the currency also change. Right now it's changed, as you see, to Brazil. So you have to first, guys, to change your region, and it will change directly to the currency of the country that you are in. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.